I'm Desiree, and I'm the creator of Hapinest. I'm the mother of 7 children, and I love bringing happiness. I'm a typical happy person, but I think having happiness in the home, and the nest is our home, and having happiness is just a great way to live. I've created since I was 7 years old, and I just enjoy bringing new things to people and seeing something that's in my head come alive. My happiness is, my family. They bring me the greatest happiness, and I hope that everyone can have happiness with their families as well. I'm really excited. In fact, it makes me feel like that there's lots of moms out there that could have a lot of great ideas, and they're in the trenches and they know their families, they know their kids and what they need. So I would encourage everyone, all these moms, to come up with their ideas and share them with the world.